Grocon was established in 1987 when the founder, Mr. Peter McHardy, came up with this brilliant unique system to apply gunite by using the Grocon pressure vessel system, which leads to better labor efficiency and also reducing the downtime from surface to underground working face. The advantages of doing guniting on the rock face reduces the rock face from weathering and helps with the structural strength of the tunnels, eliminating the small fall of grounds that normally occur close to the blasted face. The normal gunite procedures using a rotary gunite system is more labor-intensive and time-consuming if compared to our Grocon pressure vessel system. It is well understood within rock mechanics circles that an application of coating shortly after the blast reduces weathering and maintains key blocks in place. This leads to much better long-term structural integrity. The Grocon guniting method is a practical tried and tested technique which ensures that the gunite can be kept within 6 meters of the blast face, thereby reducing weathering of the rock face. Grocon is also the sole proprietor of patent right of the pressure vessels and have used it for this application on Kusasalethu mine for the past 28 years with great success. This system was developed to transport dry gunite material and to apply gunite in the safest, quickest and most cost-effective manner possible. To date, from when the project was launched, we've had no injuries. The operation of the pressure vessel system can be performed with a crew of only 2 people. It takes the crew plus minus 20 minutes to apply the full volume of gunite in the tank, which covers 15 square meters at a thickness of 25 millimeters. The Grocon Guniter. The Grocon system has no moving parts, making it safer, more cost-effective, and since there are no moving parts, wear and tear are minimized, leading to low maintenance and minimal downtime. There is no wastage of the product, and waste is reduced due to the fact that no bags or packages are used to store the gunite product in. Rotary guniters require a workforce of up to 9 employees, where the Grocon guniter only requires a workforce of 2 employees. The batch plant reduces costs by pre-mixing of the product to precise specifications. The mixing and batching of the product directly into the spray cars lends itself to better quality control through daily cube testing. This ensures a higher level of quality control. Grocon guniting can undercut the cost of conventional guniting by up to 60%. Conventional guniting. The conventional process is time-consuming. The quality of the end product is compromised when mixed by hand, as no exact measurements are taken and the mix is not tested. Maintenance costs are much higher, as there are more parts which have to be changed and serviced on a regular basis. Transporting all the components takes up much more time and manpower. Dust levels are much higher in the work area. There is lots of wastage of cement and sand, more storage space is required for the conventional systems, and special care must be taken as the cement and sand does not fare well when stored in a humid underground environment. Mixing process. We've developed a more cost-effective gunite material batching system where washed river sand is used with the mixing process. The sand is dried up by means of burners to remove moisture from the sand, which is then stored in a shed to prevent contamination. From here, the sand is mixed with the cement. When thoroughly mixed, it is transported by means of conveyor belt into the tank, which can hold 1.1 cubes of gunite material mix, which can cover an area of 15 square meters at a thickness of 25 millimeters. Quality monitoring is done by taking a sample of the mix for cube testing, 100 millimeters by 100 millimeters, mixed with water and left for 7 days in water of 25 degrees and then pressure tested to adhere to SANS standards. 40 tanks can be loaded in an 8-hour shift and be ready to go down to any level required. The tank is a pressure vessel with no moving parts and requires a compressed air connection with a minimum of 1 bar to operate, with a 15mm water hose that connects to the nozzle. 3-bar air pressure is advised for optimal performance. The vessel is tested and examined every 24 months to ensure it complies with all legal requirements and is in a safe, functional operating condition. A crew consisting of 2 multi-skilled people, one of which is a competent A person, nozzle operator and a loco driver and his assistant, is the loco guard and vessel operator. Once the tank is underground, they will transport the tank to the area where the gunnighting is to be done. After the entry examination and safe declaration have been completed, the crew will install the depth indicators 1 meter apart on the hanging wall and side walls to ensure the correct thickness of gunite is applied. This method has proved itself over the years and is the future answer to all deep-level mining to stabilize and stop the weathering of rock face, also minimizing the fall of ground events in the tunnels to enable all to have a safer environment to work in. Our services also include gunite, mining construction, civils, reclamation, and footwall treatment. We believe our key values of safety, community, innovation, and sustainability are clearly visible in absolutely everything we do. Safety is our single biggest priority, and we are striving to ensure 100% injury-free workplaces at all times. But to us, safety is also more than zero harm. It is about achieving better outcomes for all our clients and employees.